Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in this review I want to talk to you about a product called Clickbank. Now Clickbank has been out for a while, but I've had a couple of requests on the channel to take a look at this because I didn't review it when it first came out. So here we go, I'm going to take a look through the actual software itself. In a nutshell, this is a web-based software that allows you to create affiliate sites with the idea of promoting Clickbank products. Now this is one of those products that's completely done for you in every way, so let's take a look at exactly what this is going to give us. And I can already tell you, if you stick around, there's going to be some major flaws in this overall tactic. So as usual guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, having spent many years online buying products just like this one, spending lots of time trying to set things up and never really making any kind of money with them. The idea of these reviews is for you to have a little bit more insight before you go ahead and make the decision to purchase any of these types of products online. So as I said, Clickbank is out now. It comes from Dan Green and it's off the Warrior Plus network. So what we're going to do, we'll have a quick product overview, we'll go through the members area, we'll take a look at the sales page, we'll have a look at those various OTOs, we'll have a look at what's good in the product and what's not so good about the product, and then I'll kind of summarize it. And again, you can take that information and have a more informed decision before you go ahead and purchase anything. So just before we start guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, if you want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Okay, let's have a look at the sales page, and this is done for you just about everything. So this is done for you site creation. You get just one click to create an entire Clickbank affiliate site from scratch. Done for you 100% original content created and posted to your site every single day. Done for you monetization reviews of top converting Clickbank products every day. Done for you search traffic, rank higher and higher on Google automatically every day. 100% newbie friendly, no complicated setup, just one click and it's all done. And it's every marketer's dream come true. So let's jump straight over to the members area and I'm going to show you around. So here we are over in the members area. Now if you did join this, the first thing you would actually see is this box which allows you to configure your site. So the essential things here are, you give your site a title, then you go ahead and give it a subdomain name, and then you pick a niche. Now this picking a niche drives everything else as far as the site creation is concerned. Based on that niche, goes out and finds content or articles which it then, through feeds, automatically brings them into your site on a regular basis and then spins the content. Now, anybody who's ever heard a review before of mine knows that I hate spun content, and spun content is usually always low quality and very rarely makes sense. The other thing that's slightly worrying about that process is that you've got no real visibility about how that content was spun, because you can't see the original content to see if you're actually breaking any kind of copyright rules. And when I see on this particular site, some of the feeds it's got is taking feeds from folks like Neil Patel, which are pretty big internet marketers. So let's just go back to the actual dashboard itself. Now you have some settings here. These are all the latest posts on your particular website that would have been created, and this is created straight away. These are the latest reviews that would have been created. Click on any of these. What you can actually do on here is create your own reviews and then reference videos on YouTube. But let's just go back, and here really is the main piece of the actual site. So you have posts on here, you got content spinning, you got content sourcing. If I just click on the content sourcing piece, these are a number of feeds that get added automatically, and you can add your own as well, and that's what it actually goes off and finds these relevant articles from. So the system will source keywords for you, it will source articles for you, and it will also source affiliate products for you. So it is a lot of done for you stuff, but unfortunately it's not something that I would recommend at all, because this is completely out of your control. So you have some content spinning functionality here, and again you can go in here and you can add words, you can manage your content spinning. Again, Google doesn't like content spinning. They're not going to rank anything on this website. You have your review section here you can go ahead and create. You have some ads and opt-ins that you can add onto this section. You have your pages that you can go ahead and view. You have some layouts. You can change some of the layouts and the configuration of your actual site. So you can have things like the actual logo URL. You can have a site bio that you add. You can have colors, various things around showing the logo, showing the header. All very, very simple. When I show you this site, it's not that nice. You have some configuration items here, and then you have the actual site here. So this is the kind of site that you would create. Now really ignore the colors, because obviously this is put together in it quickly, but this is a live site. It's not secure up here. You can apparently add these to your own domain, but again, it's very, very low quality. And what it's doing is it's bringing in these articles from those various sources on a regular basis for you. So you can see here that there's one here from July the 9th, website planning in 4 steps. There's no image showed up on this one. So this is obviously still pulling in data from somewhere. If I click on it, it has brought in a lot of the images. Now I don't know if any of these images are copyright. It's going to be bringing in copyright images all over the place, because you may be able to spin the actual text, but you can't spin an image. So I'm not sure if they're copyright. And then basically that's it. That's what it's giving you. There's not going to be many items on Clickbank that have got anything to do with website planning in 4 steps. So we can talk a little bit about ranking on Google. Now, Google have made many, many updates that really count against this whole content spinning theory of being able to get free content and spin it and use it as your own. This is something from many, many years ago that was working for a while, and now just does not work. Your sites do not rank anywhere. For a start, all of the existing sites with the real articles will rank way above yours. And if I just take something like this keyword, website planning in 4 steps in 20 minutes, that's a very strange keyword. And now that would be the keyword that you're actually ranking for, because that's the name of the article. So I click on that link here. There's a link I just noticed on this. You go straight over to QuickSprout. So straight away, you've gone out of your website that you've created over to QuickSprout, which is the original writers of this. So you've just lost that lead anyway. Even if they did come to your website, you've lost them because they've come over to QuickSprout. Let's just go back, and I'm going to search for this article and see if this website comes up, or any website that looks like it's been made. So there you go, there's QuickSprout, blog at avenuemedia.com, website. Let's have a look at this one. What is this? That's a WordPress theme there. So I don't believe you're going to rank anywhere for these articles. You're not going to get any kind of traffic from them. And that's going to be your main issue here. Not only are the sites going to be very, very low quality, and people aren't really going to buy off any kind of site like this, the other massive issue is you're not going to get any traffic. Unless you literally give somebody this link to come along to your site, you're not going to get any sales from it. So let's just jump over to the sales page and take a look at some of the key points. So here we are, bank 100% easy click commissions, 24/7, no need to do any boring manual work. I don't believe that's the case. You just go ahead and you choose your niche, you put in your Clickbank ID, and then you click the button to create my site, and then that's it. That's all that needs to be done. And this is relying on SEO ranking your articles, and if you go ahead and look at some of the articles, they're not going to be ranked anywhere. So again, here's the pricing, $47 for the monthly fee, or a one-time license at $47. And here's the 30-day money-back guarantee. Now the only thing I did see on this is that they're telling you to download Clickbank, and they say it several times in this guarantee. Now this isn't a downloadable software, it's cloud-based, so I'm not quite sure what that means. And they're saying Clickbank is tried and tested, but in the unlikely event you can't get Clickbank to work for you and our robust support desk can't fix your issues, then I will completely refund your investment. This has obviously got a 30-day guarantee, which is good. So let's go through the upgrades. As I showed you, the front end is $47. The OTO 1, the Pro, is $67. You can build unlimited sites. OTO 2 is an easy Amazon profits, $27. They give you some Amazon product reviews. OTO 3 is done for you, $197. They set up the site for you. OTO 4 is commercial license, $67. You can use the software on client sites. And OTO 5 is a reseller license at $197, and you can sell the product and keep 100%. Now the pros on this, the 30-day money-back guarantee, and the training's fine. The training's done by somebody else and seems to be okay. So as you can imagine, there are a few cons. I got big reservations about the traffic, so I don't believe you're going to get traffic through SEO. There's lots more factors that really get websites ranked, and using old spun content from other websites and changing the odd word is not one of them. You need to have content-rich articles. There is lots of information out there on Google that tell you all of the different factors that Google uses to rank your website, and this is not going to be able to rank very highly at all. So there's going to be big problems with traffic. There's also going to be potential copyright issues because you've got no control over what actually is coming into the site. Now, you can do a review, but again, if it's already spun that content, you'd have to go and check the original website to see how much of it's been spun. So it all seems a little bit too loose to me. I don't like the fact that you're bringing in content you're not aware of. Low quality spun content. And what is the business here? So is my business taking other people's articles and adding an affiliate link? It seems to be that that's my long-term sustainable business online, and I don't believe that is a way that you should be making money on with this type of software. So I'm going to give this 1 out of 10. This is very low quality. The example website I showed you is very low quality, and I just think this is a shiny object that sounds good, but if you're a beginner, you really need to be learning this stuff from the very start rather than try and rely on these types of softwares to shortcut your way to some kind of money online. If you do end up making money with this, it will be a one-off commission here or there. This is not anything that's going to really build into a proper business. So again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that review gave you some value. Again, I don't want to be negative on this types of products. I'm just trying to be realistic. If you don't agree, if you want to go ahead and try this, go ahead. I'd love to know if you got some success of software like this, but in my experience, they very rarely deliver anything rather than suck up your time trying to make them work. So my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, my videos aren't all reviews. I do a lot of value-based videos on here that also explain various aspects of affiliate marketing, and if you take the time to view some of them, hopefully you can have a better base for actually starting your business online. And guys, if you are interested in starting a business, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.